Okay, the next topic is 1 watt. That means you have to define the unit of power. Okay. So as we have studied in class 9, the formula of power is work done upon time taken. So from this formula we can find out the definition for 1 watt. What is the unit of power? What is the unit of work done? Joules. And this is time. What is the unit of time? Seconds. So simply we can write 1 here, because when you will divide 1 by 1, what you will get on the left hand side? 1. Okay. So this is the mathematical definition for the 1 watt. Okay. Now you can define in the sentence like this. If any electrical device consumes or produce 1 joule of electrical energy in 1 second, then the power of that device is 1 watt. Okay. Now for example, we have an electric bulb or CFL of 25 watts. Clear? And we have the second CFL which is of, you can say, 50 watts. So we can write like this. Watt का मतलब क्या होता है? जूल पर सेकेंड. That means this CFL is consuming or producing the electrical energy of 25 joules in 1 second. Whereas the second CFL, its power is 50 watts. So 50 watts means 50 joules per second. That means the second CFL will consume 50 joules of electrical energy and it will produce the same amount of light and heat energy in 1 second. Okay? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर आप ज़्यादा वाट का बल्ब यूज़ करें तो ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी कंज्यूम हो रही है, और ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी कंज्यूम हो रही है, इसका मतलब ज़्यादा बिल आएगा आपके पास. सो वाइल परचेजिंग द इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइसेस you must check their power rating also. Okay, means how much that particular device is going to consume. Okay, so you have to check always the power rating so that your electricity bill should be maintained properly. Clear? Now coming to the next topic. Our next topic is electrical energy. Electrical energy we can define as the product of power and time. Clear? The product of power and time is called the electrical energy.
And the commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour.
Kilowatt hour. In short, we can write kWh. W in capital letters. Clear? And you know that 1 kilowatt hour means 1 unit. Generally, आपने अपनी electricity bill में you have seen this units written here and also kilowatt hour. Okay, so 1 kilowatt hour means 1 unit होता है. Okay, so it is like this. So the electricity bill is calculated according to the number of units. Whatever the number of units you have got in the electricity bill, you have to multiply by the rate of 1 unit. Okay, so that is how you calculate the electrical energy. Now we will define 1 kilowatt hour. Okay, our next topic is 1 kilowatt hour. That means it is the SI unit of electrical energy. Okay, for example, if we operate a device of power 1 kilowatt for 1 hour, then the electrical energy consumed by that particular electrical device will be 1 kilowatt hour. In simple terms, आप इसे ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि अगर आपके पास एक इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइस है जिसकी पावर 1 किलोवाट है और उसे आप 1 घंटे के लिए ऑपरेट करते हैं, दैट मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी कितनी कंज्यूम होगी 1 किलोवाट आवर, और यू कैन से 1 यूनिट. सपोज 1 यूनिट चार्जेस आर 5 रुपीज़, दैट मीन्स इन 1 आवर आपका कितना बिल हो गया फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस, इट विल बी ऑफ 5 रुपीज़. ओके, अगर आप इसे 2 घंटे के लिए ऑपरेट करेंगे देन इट विल बी 2 किलोवाट आवर, यानी कि 2 यूनिट, और 2 को आप 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करें देन इट विल बी 10 रुपीज़. सो फॉर एवरी पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस इन योर हाउस you can calculate like this, but practically it is not possible. That is why we are using the electricity meter which is fixed outside our houses. Okay, I hope you have got this concept. Thank you.